Hi everyone, Adina Dragosanu here, Remax Crest Realty with your May 2018 market update. So we finally started seeing a shift in the market. We've all been waiting to see how this year shakes out, and we're seeing some new trends emerge. For April, we saw a lot more listings coming onto the market, which was an awesome sign. And we saw a pullback in the amount of buyers in the market and the number of deals being done. So sales, we saw that total sales in April were 27% below what we saw last year. They were up about 2.5% from March, so a slight increase, but we're seeing that they're 23% below the 10-year sales average. So pretty significant there. It's actually the lowest total sales we've seen in the last 17 years for the month of April. A big reason for this, we're seeing tightening lending restrictions. That's really having an effect on all borrowers. People with 5% down, 20% down, people looking for investment properties, and people with foreign incomes are all having tougher times qualifying for mortgages. As well, prices being higher and rates going up, it's really pushed a lot of buyers out of the market or into lower price points. So on the listing side, we finally saw some much needed inventory coming onto the market. This is something we've desperately needed over the last 3 years with the supply shortages we've had. Last month, we saw new listings go up 31% compared to the previous month, and they went up 19% from the year before. So that means that the total number of listings on the market was actually 26% higher this last April than it was the previous year in 2017. And they were up 17% from the previous month, so March 2018. So it's great. It means there's a lot more selection on the market right now. Buyers have more time to make their decisions. They have more choice and a little bit more breathing room. Even in some cases, we're having more negotiating room in terms of price point. So for a lot of buyers who are really feeling stressed out and burnt out from the last few years, this has been really the time to get in the market. Sales to active listings ratio. So we're seeing that overall the sales to active listings ratio for condo and townhome properties are still in seller's market territories. So they're in the 20-30% plus ranges, so showing strong indications of seller's market conditions, whereas the detached market, similar to what we've been seeing in Q1 of this year, has been showing strong signs of buyer's market conditions. The only detached market that we're seeing that isn't in buyer's market conditions is North Vancouver, where it's sitting at 21%. So it's between a balanced and a seller's market right there. So essentially what we're seeing on the condo side, there's still multiple offers going on for places that are priced well and show great and are in great locations. But we are seeing that it's a little bit less consistent in terms of activity than we have seen the last 2 years. And we're seeing subject conditions come back in offers. Not everything's cash anymore. And there's a little bit more negotiating room in some cases. So things have started shifting, as you see, and some big changes in April. If you're curious about what's going on in your neighborhood or your building specifically, get in touch with us, and we can fill you in and let you know exactly what's going on and how to make the most of the market right now. That's it for now. Have a great month, and we'll see you in June.